ist der Toten der Roxon. Also du gesagt aber nicht so schlimm aus. Wenig Gefährten, das wäre der Scary Guy.
The Scary Guy.
He's pretty scary, isn't he? But he's actually the friendliest person I've ever met. And I had the opportunity to watch his show in the school of Michel Lucius.
Look at how pretty you are. You're beautiful too.
Scary Guy's sole mission is the total elimination of hate, violence, and prejudice worldwide. He travels around the world to spread his message to teenagers.
Hi. Television.
This is your second time here in Luxembourg, and my question is, can you see, or is there actually any difference between the teenagers here in Luxembourg and the teenagers in America?
That's a good question. I would have to say that there's really no difference anywhere I go in the world. I mean, kids are kids, teenagers are teenagers, and I like to say this: hate is hate, violence is violence, and love is love. And you know, what I discovered is I've been traveling for 13 years, and when I go from country to country, it doesn't matter what country I'm in, they have the same wants, the same needs, and the same desires.
To explain love, the Scary Guy gives the example of alligator love.
She goes back to where that baby is. She digs that baby up out of the sand. She takes her rear foot like this and she boots the baby right in the river. Scientists determined that was called alligator love. They studied the human being a little longer and they found out in order for a human being to go to bed on a normal emotional level, it had to have 16 hugs a day. I waited for 6 months. I didn't even get one hug. So I figured to test the theory out, I had to go out and get my 16 hugs a day.
The Scary Guy finally found a way to get his 16 hugs. Students are lining up to get a hug.
Here we go. Now, slow motion, dude. That's it. Good job. That's it. All right. Excellent. Give him a hand, ladies and gentlemen. Good work, brother.
During your presentations, there's certainly some people who maybe use violence every day. And with your speech, do you actually get the feeling that you can change the attitudes?
Well, if you think I can change someone, I can't. This is an interesting concept. A lot of people think that I change people, and some people think that I even can change them. But the truth is, I don't have the ability to change anyone. I mean, all I can do really is open the door. You know, I can open the door to their life, and then they have to do the work. It's really up to them. And I can show them how maybe they can do better, but I really can't do their life for them. So all I do is put it out there like that. And you know what I found out is most of the kids in Luxembourg want to do different. I get emails and I get letters, and even on my Facebook, kids are thanking me and they're hugging me and they're praising and they're saying, keep up the good work. So I know they get it. I don't belong here. An American, fully tattooed, including his face, neck, and hands, is in your school? How?
And my last question is, what is actually your goal for the future? When will be your big mission completed for you personally?
I don't know. I don't think that my mission will be completed for me personally. I think I'll do what I do until I die. I'll wake up in the morning, look in the mirror and go, yeah. Now, I can't figure it out. Why is it that it's such a big deal for other people to look at me and go, ugh? It's not their body. It's not their skin. Can't you see through my skin? Can't you see I'm as human as them? No. That's why I do it, Tom, to wake them up. Now, I didn't know I'd use my tattoos like this,
because I was a happy, mouthy tattoo artist.
People have learned one way of reacting to each other, and this is a new way. People learn how to respond and love one another. And so that new way may take some time. I might not even be here when that is, when we see billions of people loving people. That's okay with me. As long as what's here today gets it and it moves forward, it's going to go forward. I mean, there's just no way that it's going to stop, because I believe in the human race, and I believe that humans have the power to make a difference.